Hey guys, this is day 2 and sorry about the mess. So we are all ready to check out from the hotel and today we will be covering the Jaigarh Fort, the City Palace, Amer Fort, Hawa Mahal and Jantar Mantar. And today at night itself we have bus for Jaisalmer. So we will be going to Jaisalmer today itself. So stay tuned and let's get started. हमारे साथ मोनू भैया भी हैं, तो मोनू भैया बताइए हम लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं अभी?
आमेर फोर्ट.
So we are heading towards Amer Fort. Say hi. Hi. Poojan.
Hi.
Sanjay also with us.
इकोनॉमी डाउन, रॉयल्टी भी डाउन, इसलिए सब कुछ कंजेशन है. तो यहीं पे एक प्रिंसेस रॉबर्ट जोधा भाई जिसका शादी ऊपर से जोधा का बर्थ पैलेस है. अब आप जो पैलेस देख रहे हैं ये मानसिंह ने बनाना स्टार्ट.
So guys, right now we are in Amer Fort. Amer Fort is located high on a hill in Amer, 11 kilometers from Jaipur. Amer Fort was built by Raja Man Singh and later additions were made by Savai Jai Singh. The entry fees for Amer Fort was rupees 100 per person and the guide charges were 150 rupees. I have my gang here. Amer Fort consists of Diwan-e-Aam, a hall for public audience, and Diwan-e-Khas, that is a hall for private audience. You will find beautiful handmade paintings with gold outlines all over this palace.
आप जो देख रहे हैं इस पैलेस का रॉयल पार्ट देख रहे हैं शीश महल. तो शीश महल एक रॉयल पार्ट होने के साथ में काफी लग्जरियस है.
Sheesh Mahal, also known as Mirror Palace, is the magnificent piece of architecture built with beautiful precious stones, pure glass, and beautiful handmade paintings. This was built by Man Singh in 16th century for his queen as she loved to see the stars while sleeping and queens weren't allowed to sleep in open. It is said that as it was built with stones and glasses, in night the reflection of two candles in the glass looked like stars in the whole room. So, it was built by the king so that her queen can enjoy the beauty of the stars within the palace. How romantic, isn't it? दिखाइए कैसा आया है.
आर्टिफिशियल वाटर लेते हैं, पहाड़ी को बारिश का पानी स्टोर होता है. लेकिन बीच में गार्डन देख रहे हैं. हाँ. इसमें शीश महल को फ्रेगरेंस रखने के लिए राजा ने कश्मीर से केसर के प्लांट लाए गए. अच्छा. और यहाँ पे उसकी खेती करने की कोशिश की, लेकिन यहाँ क्लाइमेट गर्म रहता है, केसर हुआ नहीं है, बगीचा का केसर बाग. तो इस पैलेस में जो एक वाटर सप्लाई हुआ करती थी वो लेक से हुआ करती थी.
This, which you see, used to be their dining space. This corner of the palace is called Sukh Niwas. Now, why is it called so? Let us find out.
तो छोटा सा चैम्बर ओवरफ्लो होने पानी यहाँ से रनिंग करता गार्डन के टैंक में स्टोर होगा, इससे पानी कर दिया।
So here cool climate is artificially created by winds that blow over the water cascade within the palace. Fascinating, isn't it? This is Raniyon Ka Mahal. Raja Man Singh had 12 queens, so he had made 12 rooms, one for each queen, and each room had a staircase connected to the king's room. If you are someone who want to know more about the history of the palace, the people who stayed here, their lifestyle, and see the photos, do visit the shops nearby to explore the same while exiting the palace. There is also a museum inside to give you the glance of Jaipur tradition and their arts and crafts.
ये पानी का मटका है, उल्टा रखा गया।
अच्छा, क्यों?
ये हाफ जमीन में रखते थे, हाफ ऊपर में।
अच्छा,
तो इसमें पानी तो रखते थे लेकिन पीने वाला नहीं। इसमें राजा अपना लीकर का पोट रखते थे, लीकर को चिल्ड रखने के लिए।
ओह अच्छा अच्छा, फ्रीजर की तरह काम कर। And these were the kadais used in the Bollywood movie. Do comment down below if you remember the name of the movie. So, after an amazing tour in Amer Fort, we then headed to our next destination, Khole Ke Hanumanji Temple. This temple is very big and famous temple known for its magical powers, and it is also believed that the wishes of the devotees are always fulfilled. The natural view of Aravalli Hills is magnificent from the temple. So if you are staying in Jaipur for few more days, try to visit this place during sunrise or sunset. Then we had our lunch and headed towards Hawa Mahal. When we entered Hawa Mahal, we could not resist ourselves clicking some pictures with the beautiful Rajasthani attire. The entry fees of Hawa Mahal is Rs 50 per person, and it is located inside the Jaipur city. Hawa Mahal, the Palace of Winds, is a beautiful palace in Jaipur built from red and pink sandstone by Maharaja Sivai Pratap Singh and grandson Maharaja Sivai Jai Singh in 1799, who was also the founder of Jaipur. At last, we went to Zohri Bazaar for shopping before saying goodbye to Jaipur. You can also visit Jaigarh Fort, Jantar Mantar, City Palace, but As we did not get time, we could only cover this. So we had our bus for Jaisalmer at night. So this was the end of Jaipur and day 2 of Rajasthan trip. Hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that small bell button so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So stay tuned guys for my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all.